world, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like the content, please like the video, comment on it and share it with your friends. So in today's video, we are going to talk about my 5 favorite lip liners. Now, if somebody could ask me that if you want to use lipstick or lip liner, I will say lip liner, yes. So for that pro look of your lips, do use the lip liners. Firstly, I will give you the demo how you could use your lip liner, and then we'll go our favorite lip liner swatches. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So for the demo, I'm taking this Bella Voste orange shade. This is a very pretty orange shade, perfect for summer. And the best part is this is retractable, like you don't need to sharpen it. You just twist it and the products come out. So I'm going to use this because my lipstick today is orange, just to match this thing. This is not orange, but it is much nearer to that. So do not use lip liner that is not matching your lipstick. This is gonna be a real bummer. So just use the same shade of lip liner that is of your lipstick. So I'm going to apply this lip liner, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to outline my lip line, the natural lip line, just a bit outer to my natural lip line. I'll show you how. Now I'm going to create the upper lip line, and I'll start with my Cupid's bow. Like this section, this V is your Cupid's bow. So our outlining is done. Now you can fill in your lips entirely with the lip liner and then apply the lipstick, and that is what I'm gonna do. So you can see my lip color is looking way good in itself. Like I do not really need lipstick over it, but I'm going to top it off with my lipstick. This is a random purchase from Sarojini, and this says Glamour Beauty, whatever it is. The color is really beautiful, so I'm gonna use this. Do you see that orangey vibe? This is so pretty shade. Like the content, and if you did, then please like this video, comment on it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video with some great stuff, some other stuff. Till then, bye bye.